Hello, hi everyone. So let's solve this trigonometry problem which came into class 12 in CBSE 2012. Solve for x 2 tan inverse sin x is equal to tan inverse 2 sec x where x is not equal to pi by 2. So what we have from the question? From the question we have 2 tan inverse sin x is equal to tan inverse 2 sec x. Alright, now we can put into the formula tan inverse 2 sin x 1 by sin square x, correct, and tan inverse 2 sec x, right. Now in the next step, tan inverse 2 sin x and this will be cos square x, and tan inverse 2 sec x. Now like tan inverse 2 sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x, right. Now tan inverse 2 sec x, and this can be tan inverse 2 tan x and this is sec x, and here tan inverse 2 sec x, correct. Now in the next step 2 tan inverse 2 tan x sec x is equal to 2 sec x. We can remove this tan inverse on the both side. Okay, this till this there is no issue. Now sec x, can we cut this 2 can be cancelled, so tan x is equal to 1. Now tan x is equal to 1, then we can write tan x is equal to tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 is pi 45 degree. Pi in tan 45 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to pi by 4. So what we have got the value of x from this problem, pi by 4. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay.